Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Solana video update for Monday 22 of August. And what are you doing? What is going on with you? Do you know that Solana is looking just amazing? But get ready for $25 Solana because Solana is looking to drop down to $25. And the reason is very, very simple. First of all, it actually has a technical target to come to 8.77. I think this is an amazing shorting opportunity in the market. And if someone is looking for short positions, this is amazing. And I don't do future trading. I'm actually going to miss all this profit. So basically, from there to there, what we're looking for is the following. You're coming down like this, you made sideways movement, made the bear flag, you're breaking out the bear flag, and this is coming to a technical target to 25.90. That's pretty much it. If you don't know why, well, let me show you the bear flag itself. So bear flag, and let's open up Google right here, and this is just one of the examples that I can show you. So went to the downside, make the flag, move to the downside. Okay, so that's pretty much what a bear flag really looks like, and there are a lot of examples. If you want to see the detailed one, this is the pull, this is the flag here, the stop loss can be triggered up there, the entry point is down. So right now it actually does show amazing entry point, and if you're looking for a stop loss, that could be at 37.34. If Solana does actually manage to go above 37, I might even think of actually entering and buying so that I can move up a little bit. But right now things are looking worse. Bitcoin is looking to come down to $17,800. So be very careful, guys. And to me, I might make a little bit of an entry here on my signal. The entry for signals is open. If you want to know how to join our signals and when we buy, when we sell, because we are not affected with the market right now, you can actually check the link in the description of the video. It's super cheap to join our signal and channel. And best of luck to you with this trader right now. See you at $25, and probably in the future see you at $8.7 as well. And that's pretty much it for Solana update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.